backswing that we reviewed. And the first observation, once I've drawn the plane line, which is golf ball through right elbow and beyond, is the mass of the club head, falls inside very early, and at the point where it's level with the hands, the club head is very, very low. It needs to be an awful lot higher here, and that's because of the way your wrist works and your wrist set works in the backswing. Now from here, the mass of the club is behind you. You are required to lift to get it back up near your trail shoulder or on plane. But because you've pulled up and lifted up, what's left is this over the top move. And you see that club face opening in the downswing here, very much an open club face now as it descends towards the golf ball and in front of this plane line. Okay, so that's what we're working with. So I talked to you about wrist set and the phases in which it happens. I said that the club in its takeaway goes back much, but the hands and the club goes back much straighter early. Now about the right shoe distance away from the ball. The wrist, if we were to stop here, actually works up like this. That's beautiful. And when you combine that with turn, you see now we're in a much better position. You see the club head's much higher, it's above the hands, it's closer to the plane line, and the shaft as we turn can work around this plane line. You're not fighting anything with the mass, and we now deliver the club much more on plane. Look at this delivery now into the golf ball. This has a real chance of hitting a nice shot, and you do. So that's what we're trying to do. We're trying to get the backswing to have much more function on the way back so that you don't have to work as hard on the way through. Good job.